For a long time, I despised LED headlights. Driving against them was like looking at the sun. I'd have just as much luck driving by feel. And that always goes well.
But then I put LED headlights on my 01 Sport Trac. I may just have to eat my words. Here's what we're installing today. Everything is plug and play. Headlights, fog lights, tail lights, turn signals, and reverse lights.
Let's start with the tail lights. There's three 10mm bolts holding the housing to the bed. Then the housing will slide out and the bulbs can be twisted to remove. A quick bulb swap and everything goes back together. Gah! Ah! Those are bright. The Sport Trac has red tinted taillight housings. Obviously. So why did I even get red LEDs? The right has the red LED and the left has the white LED. While it's hard to see on camera, in person, the left white LED creates a more of an orangish color. I prefer the deep red of the right side. So we got LED lights installed in both headlights and in our turn signals, but there's still one thing I don't really like about this setup, and that is these lenses and how it creates this circle. This is because they're all corroded and crappy and can't be cleaned. Don't do it, it looks tacky. To fix the tacky, I got new headlight housings. I went with the black look to better match the accents on the Sport Trac. Pop open the headlight cover and remove the screw for the side marker housing. Pull the housing out, remove the bulb, and set it off to the side. Pull up on the two tabs at the back of the mount plate. Pull the headlight housing forward and disconnect the connector. Yeah, the old housings are quite bad. Reinstall everything in reverse order. Adjust the headlights per your owner's manual. Such a cleaner look, don't you think? No more tacky circle. Let's compare the lights at night while driving. Holy crap! There's no competition here.
I'm blown away by these LED headlights. It's like I just turned on my light bar. Look at me. Look at me. I'm the sun now.